What's up, beautiful humans? When I recorded this podcast with these two beautiful souls, and this realization hit me that they're sharing in this clip, it blew my reality. You can see it on my face. It blew my reality, and I had to stop what I was doing. So yeah, you just got to watch this clip, like right now, and I'll see you in the comments.
Are you ready to get woke?
Yeah.
That's the thing. It's like the greatest adventure is discovering who we are. It's the most fun adventure of all. That's why it's so crazy when I see people just wasting their time with whatever, booze, drugs, watching football games, silly jobs. Just a lot of people are just passing the time.
Yeah.
They're just passing the time till they get old and check out. And it's like you're missing the funnest part of all.
Yeah.
And it's,
Our avatars in India said most of the majority of North America and Europe too, a lot of people in the world, you spend most of your time managing your suffering. And you don't even know it. You don't feel how much pain you're in.
Shall we do our suffering skit? You remember that time we thought about the suffering skit?
Oh,
Have
yeah,
a nice
yeah.
day, honey. How are you going to manage your suffering?
Well, first I'll go to Starbucks and I'll throw some like heavy duty caffeine and cream, right? And then of course I'll be pissed off in traffic, right? That'll like give me some adrenaline. That'll make something work,
good.
right?
Yeah. I'll scream at the maid. I'll run to I'll be snotty to the grocery store person. I think I'll cut someone off in traffic too. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. Of course, when I go to work, I always have judgments, resentments. That works really good too. That like helps with a little adrenaline. And when I'm off of work, straight to the bar. Right? Have a few drinks. Pound some of them back.
Yeah, I think I might meet my lover. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then and then it'll be like I'll just switch on the TV.
Yeah. So see you around 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Zone out.
Yeah.
And then I'll pass out. I won't go to
Yeah.
sleep. I'll pass out.
Yeah. Okay.
That's how I do my suffering. Yeah.
Suffering.
So there's
it's actually really funny.
so they said to us, okay, so imagine if most of your life, if you really looked at it honestly, you're managing your suffering. And that's why your life has no meaning. You don't feel like there's any meaning in your life because you're spending the majority just managing your emotional state.
Trying to be something all the time.
And then he said, it's like you're on a hamster wheel and you're running like this and you've got the cheese, and you can never quite catch it. And then behind you, that's the future, right? I'm chasing the future. This nice piece of cheese I think is coming later. Meanwhile, the cat's behind me and I'm like, fuck, and I'm running away from it, right? And that's how it goes. That's like people can live their whole lives like that. And then they said to us, if you realize the cycle you're in, that you're not really living and that your life really doesn't have any meaning in the bigger picture, then you can get off, let the cat eat you and suck the marrow out of your bones, and you'll be here. That's all your fears, right? Like just let go of the future, the past, what you think's going to do it for you, and just be here with all of it and know that you have the resources in you to just actually get present because it's in the now. Heaven's in the now. It's all in the now, just what it takes to be here. But I thought that was a great analogy.
That's great. Just the concept of most people are so busy managing symptoms. It's not something I really thought about before. So as soon as you said it, I was like, yeah.
Right? Well, look at our society. Look how many pills we've got for headaches and this and that and what people are shoving into their mouths and drinking at and watching things and it's crazy. When you really see it, you just go, yeah, wow. And then if you reflect in your own day, geez, how much of my day am I avoiding, right?
This is so fucking profound right here that's been said. It's just like this, just that piece there. If people get that, they can look at their life and go, oh.
Right.
Because it doesn't have to be that way.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be that way.
No, it doesn't. No.
You know, one of the greatest tools.
Big, right?
You're freaking me out, man. This guy's so awesome. He just trips me out. I'm just like,